Okay then guys, so welcome back to another video. This is not a video that I plan to make. I don't really know how it's gonna pan out, but it is gonna be a little bit of a rant. So if you do not want to see that, then just switch off. I won't judge you. But it's a video that I need to make nonetheless, just to kind of clear a few things up. So then, I make YouTube videos for a whole number of reasons. One of those reasons is to help people. Definitely, it's something that I think is actually in my DNA. I have always enjoyed and I have always taken pleasure out of helping people. I've done it since I was a little kid, I guess. So helping people is one of the main driving factors behind this channel. But I would be lying if I was to say that I do not do it to benefit myself as well. So it is no secret that YouTubers, whatever you want to call us, earn money from making these videos. Obviously, you know, we all know that. So of course I do make videos with the intention that I am going to earn some money, because at the end of the day, YouTube is a full-time job. So I do have a proper job, a proper full-time job, which, if you don't know, I'm a van driver, let's just say. So I deliver stuff. I'm not going to go any further than that. And yeah, YouTube on its own is a full-time job. I must work on YouTube 40 hours a week easily. You know, I film, edit, upload 3 videos per week without fail. Now, it's not only just the videos that require the time. I actually missed one thing. There's the thumbnail as well. So obviously I have to take photos, I have to edit the thumbnail, and then do all that as well. So it's not only just those things that take the time. There's like the titles, description, and then there's the whole like YouTube side of it as well. So there's responding to the comments. There is you know, like just staying interactive with you guys, like making community posts, things like that. And then there's like Facebook, Instagram, all that stuff as well. So it's a whole like collective effort for social media. And yeah, it takes a lot of time. Do I enjoy doing it? Yes, absolutely. I would not be doing this if I did not enjoy it. The money that I earn really isn't worth the amount of time that I put into it. I would be very, very silly to work as many hours that I do per month for the amount that I earn. It's really not a great trade-off. So if you are considering doing YouTube for the money and you don't enjoy it, consider again, because it's not a great career choice. Okay, so I mentioned that one of my tasks is to, you know, respond to comments, stay interactive on my channel. And how I see it is, if somebody leaves a comment on one of my videos, there is no reason why I cannot respond to it, okay? At the end of the day, I'm a YouTuber. It's kind of my job to respond to comments. That's how I feel anyway. So if for whatever reason, I mean at this stage anyway, like I have 7,000 subscribers or whatever, there's no reason why I cannot respond to comments. So if I have not responded to your comment, then it's probably because I've genuinely missed it. Or, you know, it's some load of bullcrap. You're probably trying to troll me or whatever. But for the large majority of comments, I will be responding to them without fail. Now, I don't mind people asking questions on my videos that are related to the video. For example, let's say my timing chain replacement videos, okay? Let's say somebody wants to know, oh, what was the torque spec for the, I don't know, what was the torque spec for the timing chain tensioner? If I remember it, or if I know it off the top of my head, I will respond and I will give an accurate answer if I know the accurate information. So that's fine, you know, I have no problems with responding to comments, responding to questions that are related to the video in turn. So that's it then. So I have no problems responding to comments that are related to the video that they are commented on. What I do not like is a person, what I'm not a massive fan of is when somebody just stumbles across my video and just asks a completely random question about their car and it's nothing even to do with the video. Now that tells me one of two things. That tells me that you haven't even watched the video to know what it's about. You've just commented on it in the hope that I'm going to respond. Because I've made a video about a BMW and you have a BMW, that must mean that I am going to help you out. And the other thing that it shows me is that you don't think that I value my time, and you think that I have all the time in the world to respond to random comments and help you fix your car for free. Okay, so like I said, I do not mind responding to comments that are related to the video, but when you're just commenting about something regarding your car and it's nothing even to do with the video, I'm inclined not to waste my time trying to help you. Now, it's not only comments on videos, this is happening throughout my social media. So of course I leave all my social medias in the description. So that's my Facebook page, that is my Instagram. I don't know if Twitter's down there, I don't really use Twitter, but yeah, it's mainly my Instagram, my Facebook page, and my email address. I get contacted on all three of those avenues every single day, numerous times, and a typical email that I will receive is, "Hi, I've got such and such problem with my car. What is it? What is the solution? Can you help me?" It's always about what I can do for them. It's never about how they can help me. So that just shows that you think I value my time, you know, at nothing. That because at the end of the day, you want to ask the question to me rather than take it to the dealership and get them to do a diagnostics check, which is probably going to cost you, up into the hundreds. So you think that I'm just going to waste my time helping you find out the issue on your car just so that you don't have to waste money going to a mechanic. Like, I'm not a free mechanic. I am not a customer service worker. I do not get paid to respond to emails. And when you are starting the email with, I have this problem, that just goes to show that you don't care anything about my YouTube channel. You don't support me, you don't like my videos, you don't comment on my videos, you're not even subscribed. That just shows to me that you're probably doing this to a whole bunch of people and you're just waiting for one person to respond to help you to fix your car for free. So I really just don't think it's on. I don't think that I should be wasting my time helping you when in no way whatsoever you are helping me. You're not supporting me. You're not even watching my videos. So, you know, I guess the main point that I'm trying to make is that I'm not a free mechanic. I'm not a customer service worker. I don't get paid to answer your questions. So, you know, if you went to a mechanic and asked them what was wrong with your car, they would charge you for that. If they had to take your car, put it up on the ramps and do a diagnostics check, then they would charge you for that. So don't think it's any different just because I make YouTube videos. Yes, I make videos to help people, but outside of that time, I don't have time to answer random questions that aren't related to anything that I've been talking about. Now, what I may consider doing is, because I still want to help these people, you know, I still want to help these people, but it's going to come at a cost. I cannot afford to help people with their cars, with their personal cars, for free. If you guys want my help, if you want me to help diagnose a problem that you have on your car, or if you have any questions related to your car, then we're going to have to sort something out. Whether that's going to be setting up a Patreon where you pay so much per month and then you can just ask me a whole bunch of questions, or whether or not that is a like a Skype call, so you pay so much for a certain amount of time and you can just fire away as many questions as you like, and I'll do my best to try and help you. Or I don't know, whatever it may be. But continuing going forward, if I receive any messages or emails or comments that are not related to anything that I've been talking about, I'm not going to help you, because that shows that you are ignorant. And like I said, I value my time. I do not have a lot of it. I work a full-time job. YouTube is another full-time job. I have a lot of other commitments as well, which I'm not going to be going into. But yeah, I value my time, so please appreciate that. Okay, going forward, we're gonna have to sort something out. If, of course, you have any thoughts on this, if you have any suggestions as to what I can do, then please let me know. But I didn't want to, you know, turn this into a negative video. I didn't want to single anyone out. I didn't want to single anybody out. I don't think I have done that, but yeah, I definitely needed to make this video because it's getting really frustrating seeing people just so ignorantly, you know, asking for help and yeah, not expecting to have to give anything in return. So yeah, that's where I'm at. That's what I'm thinking at the moment. So yeah, if you guys could let me know, that would be much appreciated. Of course, I want to thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I will see you guys in that next video. Peace.